Hello everyone. In past issues I've mentioned the science of system analysis. I suggest you explore it. It's a field that views everything as a system, a person, a planet, a company, a bug, a galaxy, and so on. This perspective allows us to compare systems and draw interesting and useful conclusions. So, if we delve deeper into this idea, we can, for instance, use system analysis to draw a comparison between a human being and planet Earth. Once again, in previous issues I have discussed the concept of immunity, suggesting that if humans possess immunity, then various other systems, including planet Earth, must also have some form of immunity. I've elaborated on what immunity represents within a specific country. For example, it might include members of the army, firefighters, police officers, and certain special services, and so forth, which play a role in maintaining and ensuring the body remains safe and alive, both internally and externally. Now, if we hypothetically consider for a moment that there are no separate countries on this planet with distinct authorities and various political leaders, but instead, imagine it's just one large planet Earth, governed by a single state, planet Earth. Consequently, from this perspective, immunity is shared. So, it is essentially a united army for the entire planet Earth, a unified police force for the whole planet Earth, and common firefighters, special services, rescuers, and similar roles. Alongside this, I would like to now expand on this with a new idea, which will further develop this thought on system analysis and the immunity of planet Earth. Just as humans can have autoimmune diseases, the planet can face similar challenges. A nod to those who have watched, for instance, the TV series Dr. House. There is lupus, for example, which is quite common and many people might have heard about it or even encountered it in one way or another. Hopefully not. Thus, if an individual can have autoimmune diseases, it suggests that planet Earth, any system, and the Earth as a massive system, could also suffer from autoimmune diseases. When a specific part of the Earth's immunity begins to attack and destroy another part of the planet. It's known as a cytokine storm, if I remember correctly. It's quite an intriguing term, and I suggest reading about it. Just Google it. Cytokine storm. Due to this, what occurs is that a portion of the immune system, whether in a human being or the planet Earth, begins to attack other areas. For instance, in humans, it affects tissues, organs, or even external tissues like the skin and so forth. And when it comes to the planet Earth, it seems that the section of the planet starts to destroy certain areas using immunity agents. Certain regions of the Earth. In this situation, what I'm trying to emphasize is that when some nations initiate military actions, when some nations engage in wars, I consider this to be similar to an autoimmune disease. Consequently, from this perspective, we need to grasp that it doesn't imply that a particular region of the Earth or a specific nation is unwell, but rather it's an autoimmune disease affecting the entire planet Earth. This cytokine storm begins on Earth, and we should comprehend that this is a shared disease, a disease affecting our shared planet. And not just a specific country, because wars are indeed beginning even now, which we observe not only in one area of the Earth, but in various locations. Therefore, the disease is likely advancing. And one would certainly like to hope that, of course, planet Earth will heal, and we as a collective, as planet Earth itself, will cease to destroy ourselves. Overall, blessings to everyone, recover well, and may you never fall ill again, or at least not for a very long time. See you